Find yourself a comfortable position and breathe slowly a couple of times just to relax. You can close your eyes now or you can close it later. Let's breathe 3 times. Slowly inhale and exhale. Do this 2 times in your own pace. And now that you're relaxed, find a limiting belief you want to change. Find one which is holding you back, and if removed, your life would be a lot better. What did you lost until now while having this belief? And what would you gain without this belief? Think about it a little. There are probably things you've lost till now, having this belief, and it's time to stop this. Also, there are tremendous gains you could have without this belief. Now find a new belief you want to program which will replace the old belief. What would be that new belief which would bring you a lot of joy and empowerment from now on? The best belief to replace the old one you just evaluated before. Find this new belief and keep it in your mind. For now, you'll keep both beliefs in your mind because we'll take a journey. Ready? This will be very enjoyable for you. Let your imagination grow and just go to a place you always desire to go, or a place you just love, deeply love. Find that amazing place you would love to be right now. Go there and enjoy it a bit. What do you see? What do you hear? How do you feel? Now that you enjoy this place, I want you to recreate this place if it would be a building. What kind of building you would choose? It can be any building. Just let your imagination flow and see it in front of your eyes. It can be any kind of building, skyscraper, cabana, a bungalow, a ranch, a bigger house, a medium house, any kind of building. Now there are many rooms inside this building of yours, but first find a way to enter. Where would you like to enter? You can just find the door or fly in, doesn't matter. Find your own way, find your favorite way to enter the building. And once in, you can see many doors. Each door has a name on it. And you find a door with your limiting belief written on. Go there. How is that door look like? And the words with your limiting belief, how do they look like? How are they written? What kind of doorknob you have there? Analyze the door, and when you are ready, enter. You open the door now. What's inside? What do you see? Check each corner, the floor, the ceiling, everything what's inside. Is there any noise? How is the light? Check all the details you can see, hear and feel. I will let you a minute to evaluate the room. Now, you become an architect, a designer, and for this, discover your creative part from within. Say to your creative part that now it's time to redecorate the room. Start redecorating. I let you play and make the room the way you want it. There are no limitations. Create everything you want. Start creating now. Alright. Stay in the middle of your redecorated room now and enjoy what you've done. Look at the room. How do you feel? Are you pleased? Excited? Happy? Serene? Good? Is there anything you may want to change to improve the overall? Once you are happy with your design, stay in the middle of the room and say out loud the new belief. Say it 3 times when you are ready. You can say it in your mind, but if you can say it out loud, then it's a lot better. Notice how do you feel now? Where do you feel it? Enjoy the moment for a couple of seconds. Good. Now leave the room. Change the door as well. Look at it from the outside and make it fit with the rest of the room. Same with the writing. Now on your new door, you'll see the new belief written differently. Make it the way you want it. And when you are pleased and happy, say the belief out loud again 3 times. Now find a way to leave the building. Once you left the building, you are back to that beautiful place you imagined before. Tell this place you'll be back, and now come slowly back into the present moment. And before you'll be fully back, and before you'll open your eyes, just let's make a future pacing. Remember that place with the room and say to yourself that anytime you need to go back or reaffirm your new empowering belief, you can do so. The new belief is now part of you and you can access it anytime. Finally, let's make this even more fun and symbolic. Find a symbol which could represent your new belief. What would it be? It can be anything. Find it now. Okay, so you have a symbol. Remember the symbol and slowly, in your own pace, come back and open your eyes when you are ready. Now that you are ready, draw that symbol on a paper and place it somewhere in your house or office, next to you. Keep it close to you and your eyes. Just to remember, just to give it a time to be fully part of you. You're done. You now have a new belief which replaced the old one, and you should see the benefits from now on. Congratulations! Enjoy the moment.